Birria tacos have been all over TikTok and Instagram, and if you haven't tried making them at home yet, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Birria taco has become one of my family's favorite go-to Costco prepared meals. Today, I'll show you how to easily prepare crispy, restaurant-style birria tacos right in your own kitchen. They're incredibly easy to make and surprisingly affordable, just around $25 for a pack, which breaks down to about $3 per taco. It even comes with Mexican rice and that delicious birria dipping sauce. In this video, I'll show you how to air fry it, but you can also prepare it in the oven.